Good evening, traders worldwide. It's Mr. Joseph Trades on St. Patrick's Day, March 17th, 25, here to go over my summary of my performance on this day. And in the spirit of St. Patrick's Day, let's take a look at this green. My summary shows a profit of over $2,000. I took 7 trades, not 17. I do copy trade a few accounts. So in reality, minimal number of trades and a pretty good bang for the buck for each one. So far, it looks like the month is shaping up to be a profitable one if trends continue. We're going to try to keep the green from St. Patrick's Day going the rest of the month and beyond. To do that, just simply need to focus on the process and discipline every single day. Keep my mental game sharp, keep doing the things that I do from morning to night, all the work that's required that leads to these results, and never get complacent. Just because I had a good day today doesn't mean anything. Tomorrow, if I'm not focused and I slack off, it can be a day like on the 6th of March. You see what happened there. It only takes one day to mess up weeks worth of gains. So my focus every single day is continuing to be disciplined and process oriented. Let's take a look at the charts. I want to start with the big picture. If you joined me last week, you'll remember I talked about this range that was developing. Well, today we broke out of the upper bound of that range, and my hope is we continue to rotate higher toward that exponential moving average, which would do wonders for everyone's retirement accounts. Because if you're like me, you're getting a little tired of seeing your 401k turn into a 200k. So if this thing keeps rotating higher and gets back to these old all-time highs, we're going to be in some decent shape. Let's take a look at my execution time frame chart. I'll go over a few trades that I had today. This was the opening of the day. Generally, during the first 15 to 30 minutes, I like to give the market some time to present its character and see what type of day we're dealing with. Well, after about an hour, it looked to me like we were in a pretty good range. As you can tell from here to here, the price was sort of just in between those two areas. Well, that continued. The price continued to sort of trend down in a bear channel, but then in the afternoon, it started making a strong run higher toward this buy side liquidity in the range, and this was the trade of the day. It was a bull flag which went for about 60 or 70 points. I had a take profit here at this level where this bear candle was. And so I was able to get in here and ride it up to that. That was the trade of the day for me. Uh, I wish I would have held on, but you can't be greedy because as soon as I would have held on to this, it would have reversed back down, and who knows what would have happened. But that's okay. Don't ever want to get greedy. But it just goes to show you that price can move a lot further than you think in one way or the other. You may notice a few of these ellipses I have. Those are some of what I call my high probability signals. And I don't take every one of them, but throughout the day I note their presence, and I decide based on the context of the charts whether to take the trade or not. What got me into this bull flag was after price had been sort of chopping around in a sort of a slow bear grind and couldn't really break above this level. It had a 2 bar bullish engulfing signal right here, which provided a strong close. And then this bull flag presented. And what happened was when the price broke through, it also took out the stops from the bears who are right here. And after that, it was just a free shot up to the liquidity at the top of the range. So that's what I did today. I just look for liquidity areas. That's my main area of focus. And so yeah, let's take a look at how the different accounts did today. This is a summary of my prop firm accounts. We had some PAs from Apex. This one was up 241.64. This one was up 341.48. And this is a new My Funded Futures one. Just got it today, and that's off to a good start, 125.76. And so I'm hoping to add another funded account to the fold. This one is nearly past the challenge. This take profit 465. I got to get a little over $500 more, and that'll be funded account number 4. So my goal again is just to build these up nice and steady, no rush. Trade it like it's real money, because one day that's my goal, is to trade my own money in live markets and not prop firms. And I use prop firms for what they offer now, but my goal is to develop discipline so that when I have, my own money in the future in these accounts, I will be having a disciplined, patient approach. So, with that being said, I believe we've looked at everything, and what I want to do is I want to encourage you to comment. If you could like the video, and please subscribe, and I hope that you will join me on my journey to becoming a consistently profitable trader. And until next time, great trading, everyone.